Well, selling all these high-end medical equipment into hospitals, like patient monitors, patient monitors with heart rate and ECG and blood pressure, and then we started adding pulse oximetry and mass spectrometry and all of these parameters. And I'd go into the ICUs and see the nurses, all we did was make their life more difficult, because now they had to write even more vital signs down on these big, huge paper flow sheets. And I saw them spending so much time on busy work and so little time on the patient. And I met a doctor that had developed basically what you call today electronic medical record for these areas of the hospital. And I said, this is the next thing here. How could you make the data organized around the patient more automated, taking feeds from all those devices so that the nurses didn't have to write down the notes anymore, the vital signs, and how could you make a platform that would automate every aspect, which would not just lead to clinical data, but financial data. How could they do better with their billing? And hospitals are notoriously bad for receiving the money that they bill, etc. So we had that idea, and I seeded that company. Actually, he had done a deal with IBM early on. I bought the assets from IBM, and I was originally going to be, just an investor on the board. And the founder said, "Hey, why don't you come and run this company? I'll develop the product." And we did that, and we got a few, early big customers like Mayo Clinic. And then I looked at that and said, "Okay, we got the order. Now we got to do something with it. We got to deliver." And I learned all about, delivery. And, these are critical care areas of a hospital where, you can't have any mistakes. You can't have any bugs in your software. So, learning a lot about all the aspects of a company that I didn't know anything about engineering. I didn't know anything about finance. I didn't know anything about what it was really like to deliver products and satisfy customers from every aspect of the company. And so that was the beginning of Picis, and we were one of the early companies in that area, worked with your former company, Apache Medical, as a partner. And that's when I met you, and that's when I got into the Health Management Academy. And boy, did I learn a lot from you, and boy, did I learn a lot about the power of relationships